I just found a brand new Tradingview indicator that can predict future price action of any trading asset. And the most interesting thing is it actually does a pretty good job. I mean, look at this. This is one prediction. This is the outcome. This is another prediction. This is the outcome. This is another prediction. And this is the outcome. Pretty cool, right? In this video, we're going to explore what this future predicting indicator is, how it works, and how to use it to spot super profitable trades in the market. If you end up finding the video helpful, remember to leave a like. Let's get into it. Now, this indicator is called Price Action Color Forecast. To add it to the chart, go to Tradingview, link will be in the description. Next, click on Indicators, then type in Price Action Color. Select this one by Zaman. This indicator was launched on the 9th of May 2023, so basically last month, but it already has over 800 likes on Tradingview, which speaks volumes about how effective this indicator can be. The Price Action Color Forecast is a trading tool that uses historical price action and candlestick patterns to predict future price movements. The input settings of this indicator includes the candle series and the forecast candles. The candle series setting refers to the number of bars or candlesticks starting from the current one that the indicator will examine to find a similar event in the past. The forecast candles setting refers to the number of candlesticks that the indicator will project into the future for the forecast. Then the display event checkbox is going to display the price action color pattern that has been found on the chart. Then on the Style tab, we have options to toggle the display of the background color, the boxes, and the lines with no option to change the color of the predicted candles, which I think would have been pretty cool. So how exactly does this indicator work to arrive at this prediction? Well, the indicator systematically analyzes historical price action events based on the color of the candlesticks. When it identifies a current price action color event, it searches through past data for similar patterns. By examining the outcomes of these past events, the indicator projects potential future price movements. This analysis prioritizes the most recent candlesticks, progressing towards older data, ensuring that the forecast is based on the latest market dynamics. So for example, here, the indicator identified this price action color event where there was a green candle, followed by 3 red candles, then a green candle, red, and then green. After finding this price action event, it then searched through the historical candles to see if a similar pattern happened in the past. And sure enough, this is it. Now, the most important question is, how did the market move as a result of this past price action event? Well, this is how it moved. So the idea is, if this tiny price action pattern produced this move in the market, then any similar price action pattern in the future will most likely produce a similar move. To showcase that, the indicator just takes this move that was produced by this past price action event and then projects it to the future for us to use as a trading confluence. The way we're going to use this indicator to trade is really simple. Whenever it identifies a price action color event and predicts that the price will move upwards, we buy. Conversely, whenever it identifies a price action pattern and then predicts that the price will move downwards, we're gonna sell. Now, this is good. However, if you used only this indicator for your trading strategy, your portfolio probably wouldn't be looking too hot, because of the false signals that it produces. The solution to this problem will be to add 3 more indicators to the chart to filter out the majority of the false signals produced. But before we do that, if you're looking for an exchange to trade crypto, then check out Pionex. Not only can you trade manually on Pionex, but you can also take advantage of over 15 different crypto trading bots which you can set up to automatically trade for you 24/7. If you don't want to use the existing trading bots, you can even set up your own trading strategy in PineScript using their own AI chatbot called Pionex GPT. If that's not enough, you can also explore their GPT marketplace to see the profitable strategies that people have created using Pionex GPT. So as you can see, there is something for everyone on Pionex. Once you find here the strategy you're interested in, you can simply click here and then here to copy its trades. And one more thing, if you sign up using the link in the video description, you'll get access to a 20% discount on all your crypto trading fees. So sign up using the link in the video description. Now back to the video. Now, to add the 3 filter indicators that I mentioned earlier, on the indicator search tab, type in volume fight and select this one by Shuttle Club. Next, type in moving average. This one by Tradingview, that's under technicals. Lastly, type in parabolic SAR. This one by Everget. Double-click on the moving average, and on the inputs tab, change the length to 200. Then on the style tab, you can change it to whatever color that you want. For me, I'm gonna go with white. Next, double-click on the volume fight, and on the inputs tab, change the search range to 30 and the smoothing for flat zones to 5. Lastly, access the style settings of the parabolic SAR indicator and uncheck these 2 options. The parabolic SAR is going to be giving us the buy and sell signal labels. When it says buy, we're going to buy. When it says sell, we're going to sell. We're going to be using the volume fight indicator to confirm that there is enough volume in the market to push the price in the direction of our trades. The moving average is going to be used for trend confirmation. When the price is trading above it, that is a bullish trend. And when the price is trading below it, that is a bearish trend. Now, I know you may be thinking,
but how do we trade using this combined indicator strategy?
Well, to take a long trade, the price needs to be trading above this white moving average to indicate that it's in a bullish trend. Second, the parabolic SAR indicator should print a buy signal. Next, on that signal candle, we want the volume fight indicator to be colored green, and it should also be above the 0 line. This indicates the presence of enough bullish volume to push the price all the way to take profit. Lastly, for our final confirmation, let's activate the price action color forecast indicator. Now, for this trade setup to be valid, the predicted price pattern needs to go beyond our take profit level without touching the stop loss level. To confirm that, we just take the long position tool and place it on the open of the first predicted candle. The stop loss is going to be set below the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're going to set it at 3 times the risk for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 3. Taking a look at this, we can see that this indicator is predicting that in the future, the price will definitely go beyond our take profit without touching the stop loss, making this a valid trade setup. We let it run and take profit. For a short trade, it's going to be the opposite. The price needs to be trading below this white moving average to indicate that it's in a bearish trend. Second, the parabolic SAR indicator should print a sell signal. Next, on that sell signal candle, the volume fight indicator needs to be colored red, and it should also be below the 0 line. This indicates the presence of enough bearish volume to push the price all the way to take profit. Lastly, for our final confirmation, let's activate the price action forecast indicator. This is what the indicator is predicting the price is going to do. Now, for this trade setup to be valid, the predicted price action pattern needs to go beyond our take profit level without touching the stop loss level. To confirm that, we just take the short position tool and place it on the open of the first predicted candle. The stop loss is going to be set above the most recent swing high. For the take profit, we're going to set it at 3 times the risk for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 3. Taking a look at this, we can clearly see that this indicator is predicting that in the future, the price will definitely go beyond the take profit without touching the stop loss, making this a valid trade setup. We let it run and take profit. The price action forecast indicator is a really interesting and unique trading tool. It identifies similar price action patterns in the past and produces a price prediction that's similar to what happened in the past. By combining it with other indicators or trading strategies, the price action forecast indicator can be a great addition to your trading toolkit. That's been it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.